Bharatiya Janata Party is the only party in India to conduct elections as per the bylaw of the party. And each and every term to complete, to start the membership drive. This time, all the memberships are renewed because after 2 terms we renew all the membership. I am in charge, one of the in charges of Telangana for this membership drive. During this membership drive, our workers visit the households. While giving the membership, they also explained the schemes of Modi government introduced by Narendra Modi. As you know, India is the 5th economic power in the world, but our mission is to develop India in 2047. India will be a developed country. For that 25 years, because India is the 5th economic power, and within 2-3 years we will become the 3rd economic power. Now this economy in gold, that means we have to melt it and distribute drops to each and every and increase their income. That is the purpose. For that, the schemes are implemented. This direct benefit transfer to the people. Through that scheme, we will increase the income of the people, each and every citizen of India. In that way, India will become the developed country. If the income increase, you know that the purchasing capacity will increase, demand increase, supply should be increased, then production and manufacturing should be increased. That way the employment opportunity will be increased. While distributing the membership, our workers educate the people, those who are not aware about the schemes of Narendra Modi, to that family and encourage them to be part of this developmental program. That is the aim, and in Telangana, our target is that 200 membership in a booth. Total about more than 50 lakhs membership. We are target. That way we increase the base of party in Telangana, and as Bharatiya Janata Party is the largest popular party in the world because our membership is the largest. In 2014, got about 18 crores of membership, more than the membership of Chinese Communist Party. The largest party, and also Democratic Party, is Bharatiya Janata Party. And I request all the people to join BJP and be the part of the developmental schemes and the developmental aims of the nation. If we develop, when India becomes the developed country, all the people will get the benefit. That is why I request all the people who love India, who like India, who respect India, to join Bharatiya Janata Party.